What's up, y'all? This is Ant, 1/3 of Swollen Ant, and we're out here in Baton Rouge, checking out the Locksmith tour from Northern California. Stay tuned.
Trapped in a quaint little hole in the Richmond, skinny niggas down and you can't fly. Out of that cage and I stepped on the stage and I let my emotions comply. Confide with a similar sentiment to the spirit that was given to the independent of my frame. Niggas claim that they put in the ride and sacrifice any fights, my vice, get on my frame. They just keep rapping about money and bottles and bottles and bottles and bottles and
Yo, what's up? This is Swelly Swell. I'm here with Locksmith.
Yo, this is Locksmith. Just got to finish ripping Baton Rouge apart. You know what I mean? It was a great crowd, great energy. And I got to give a shout out to Swollen Ant for the culture. You know what it is. Locksmith is for the culture. Swollen Ant is for the culture. Oh, wait, hold up. You already know what it is. You already know. Swollen Ant for the culture. Yeah!